The best times to buy a house and falling mortgage rates may make this busier this fall than usual. It's Friday, September 13th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, a broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The fact that Maryland's unemployment rate is well below national averages and job growth continues means that the fall in Maryland is still a fairly strong market as the population continues to move. Maryland's housing inventory has 1,300 homes coming soon, an 8.6% increase week over week. 22% more homes hit the market since the last report of 1,973. 1,603 homes went under contract in 15 days, consistent week over week, but a 22% increase in new contracts this report. 1,051 homes sold since last week at 100% list to sold ratio and selling in 10 days, coinciding with last month's drop in new contracts. Rentals rose this week to 2,532 available and hovering around the $2,600 median per month mark. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, September 13th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.